So, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Pasang Tenzin. I'm 20 years old and I'm a student of Kailash Home, and I'm from the Himalayan regions, Dolpo, and my hobbies are playing games, studying, and having fun with my friends.
So, how did you feel when you were selected to participate in the Everest Marathon?
I was thrilled and very happy to be selected as the runner. I'm very excited. I was very excited as I was chosen as the runner from Kailash Home. At the same time, I was I should say, like scared too, because it's 42 kilometers race and it starts from the base camp of Everest. So I think it will be a bit challenging. So I've been preparing for it.
How are you preparing for this marathon?
For this marathon, I've been running every single day, having break at Friday, and I run 6 days, every day an hour or an hour and a half. And I've also been doing calisthenics, doing some exercise, stretchings, and eating healthy foods.
So, what has been the most difficult part of your training?
As I'm a student studying biology science, most of my time goes to studying. So taking time for the running is a bit challenging for me. But I've been doing my best to give time to the running too.
What motivates you to run in the marathon?
Uh, this it gives me the feeling of motivations, like it gives me feelings like you should not give up. If you don't give up, you will surely succeed. Like in the starting of the marathon, you feel like, oh, I'm very tired, I think I should give up, I think I should rest a bit. And the feeling of resting in middle of a marathon is it feels quite good. So if we don't stop in the middle and continue running, at a point we will feel very comfortable with the run. So if you don't stop, it gives me a motivation of, if you don't stop in between your journey, you will surely have fun in your life.
So, how has Kailash Home helped you?
Kailash Home, it has helped me in many ways. Like it has taken care of me for maybe uh, maybe 7 years, I think, because I have been studying in Kailash from 3 to 10. So it has given me accommodation, education, showing me the good ways of life, and supporting me in every point. So I'm very thankful for Kailash Home.
So, what are your dreams for the future?
For future, I want to follow the medical path. I want to be, if it's possible, I would surely like to be a doctor in the near future and treat the peoples in rural areas, because I've seen my village and we don't have proper health condition there. So I would like to be a doctor and take success in my life through that path.
What message would you like to share with the people who support Kailash Home?
I'm very thankful for those who have supported Kailash Home, as it has given me a new life. Because if Kailash Home wouldn't have supported me, I would have been in my village doing farming or something like that. So due to Kailash Home's support and help, I have been getting an opportunity to study, and I've been able to carry a dream such as being a doctor. So I'm very thankful for Kailash Home and everyone. So that's all. Thank you.